Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And are you tired of unwelcome facial hair but don't want to deal with painful waxing or expensive salon visit? Today let's talk about the Cane Bubbles, a face razor for women. This face trimmer is gaining a lot of attention on Amazon, and for good reason. First off, the design is silk and ergonomic, making it super easy to handle. It's compact and perfect for travel, so you can keep your skin smooth wherever you go. And the razor feature is precious blade that glides and effortlessly over your skin, ensuring a close shave without irritation. No more red bumps or nicks. One of the standout points of the Cane Bubble face razor is its versatility. It's not just for your upper lip or chin. You can use it on your cheeks, forehead, and even to shape your eyebrows. This makes it a fantastic all-in-one solution for maintaining that flawless look. And now let's talk about easy of use. You don't need any special skill to achieve salon quality result at home. Just a few gentle strokes and you are done. Plus it's super easy to clean. Just rinse it under water and you are good to go. Many users rave about how this razor has transformed their skincare routine with regular use. You will notice that makeup applies more smoothly and your skin feels incredibly soft. It's a game changer. So if you are looking for an effective and affordable way to manage facial hair, I highly recommend checking out the Cane Bubble face razor on Amazon. Say goodbye to unwanted hair and hello to confidence. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and every like, comment, share fuel my passion to create content that resonate with you. I truly appreciate the time you spend here, and I know your time is valuable, and it's an her that you choose to invest in my content. Each video is crafted with care, aiming to inform, entertain, and inspire you in some way. Your feedback is invaluable, and it guide me in understanding what you love and what you want to see more of. I am committed to continuously improving and delivering content that meets your expectations. If you have not already, don't forget to hit that follow button. Join our growing community where we can share ideas, experience, and support one another. And I want to hear from you what topic excite you and what challenge are you facing. Your input shapes this channel and help us all grow together. And remember, sharing is caring. If you video resonate with you, share it with your friends and family might benefit from it too. Let's spread knowledge and positivity together. As we move forward, I promise to keep pushing boundaries and exploring new ideas together.